guys, so I've been meaning to do this video for so long, or redo this video because I have done it a couple of times, but it's basically talking about my top 5 favourite primers. So I've got, normally I cheat, but I have this time got 5 primers here, and a couple of them I have definitely talked about before, but I can't help it. They are just so good that they basically appear in every single favourite primers video. I'm going to actually, do you know what, I'm going to start with like everyday primers first. So the primer that I'm wearing now, and the primer that I've literally been wearing throughout 2020, throughout lockdown, because it is such a good, lovely, hydrating primer, but also gives you that glow, is the Laura Mercier illuminating primer. There is a hydrating primer as well, but this one is still so hydrating. So I wear it, and it just gives you this kind of like really nice glow under your skin, but it just feels absolutely weightless as well. It's so nice. So this has very quickly become one of my favourite primers. I wanted to try it for so long, and I'm so glad that I did, because I honestly love this primer and use this every single day. Another really nice one, which again gives you that really nice glow, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it, and I've spoken about it before, is the Smashbox Radiance primer. So I think the packaging is different now. I've got an old packaging, or limited edition packaging. The packaging actually comes in like a tube kind of, which is similar colour to this, I think. Yeah, this is, it's more like a gel. This is more like a really lightweight lotion, the Laura Mercier one, but this one's more like a gel. It gives you a really lovely glow. It's got shea butter in it, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, so it's got those skincare benefits in it as well, so you don't have to feel guilty that you're putting like another layer on your skin if that's how you feel about a primer, but that's not how I feel about a primer at all. The Dual Backstage Face and Body Primer, so I don't use this on my body, just on my face, but I've done a tutorial in this as well, but oh my god, this is so good. And again, this is good for like every day, but also if you're wearing like heavier makeup and if you're going out, but you know, who's going out these days? This is such a good primer. It works really well with the foundation, but also any foundation or tinted moisturiser. But the great thing I like about this is, you'll see in the tutorial that I've done, is that when you put it on your skin, it feels lightweight, it feels really, really hydrating. Again, this is very hydrating as well, so you've got those skincare benefits. It just feels like a really lightweight lotion, to be honest. But once you've left it on for about 30 seconds, it's got like a slight tack to it. Not an uncomfortable tack at all, but you just know that your makeup is going to stick to it, and it's just really nice. It kind of like just blurs out any imperfections. It's almost like you've got like an Instagram filter on as soon as you put it on. So good. And then the next two are kind of my more going out, heavier makeup, if I'm going out for like a full day, night out. These are like my heavier makeup, kind of, I know that my makeup's not going to budge primers. So the first one is the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. The YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. Now this, you know how I feel about YSL. Like, I love YSL. YSL is like my brand, but also it has got like little gold flecks in it. So it, again, it's just like, you put it on, when you put it on your, even when you put it on the back of your hand just feels so smooth. It kind of just literally like blurs everything, just like it says, but then the little gold specks just give you that kind of like glow. It's so lovely. Even if you just wear it by yourself and you're going for that like no makeup look, this is lovely. Whatever makeup you put on top, so if you put like tinted moisturiser, BB cream, foundation, lightweight, heavy, whatever, it just goes on so smoothly. Like, honestly, this is such a lovely primer. My like ultimate HD primer. I have recommended this to so many people. Everyone I've recommended it to has literally come back and been like, this is the game changer. And it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, like the original. It is, honestly, this is like, if I know that I'm going out for like a full day, not going to have time to touch up my makeup, or if I'm going on like a night out, like raving it up, and you just haven't got time, and you're going to be in like, you know, a sweatbox, which I don't even know if that's ever going to happen again now, but this is just makes your makeup stay. So it's like silicone based, so it again really smooths and blurs everything out. Like, your skin just feels so smooth, but it's also got vitamin A and E in it, so you've got the skincare benefits as well. With primer, like I always say, it's doing two things. It's basically helping your makeup to last longer and basically stick to your skin through sweat, pollution, whatever it is that makes your makeup slide off your face. but also it's just another barrier between your skin and makeup. So everyone knows that makeup isn't the best, you know, the best thing for your skin is to go makeup free and have your skincare routine done. But even once you've got your skincare routine down, this is just another barrier between your skin and your makeup. But the fact that the primers that I recommended have got skincare benefits, like, don't feel guilty about putting on another layer on your skin, just protecting your skin, and you've got vitamins A and E in here to like help your skin just benefit from it, while it's also helping makeup stay put. You can wear it every day, I definitely used to, but this is just my, like, you know, my going out when I know that I need my makeup to last hours and hours and hours through major heat, major cold, major weather conditions. This is the primer. I've got many blog posts on my website about the importance of primer and my favourite primers throughout the years. So these are my current favourite primers. Obviously comment below and let me know if there's any primers that you think are, you know, up to this kind of standard, and I'm obviously happy to try. I will speak to you soon.